Understanding the IELTS Reading Section, a comprehensive guide. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the IELTS Reading Section. If you've been wondering about the structure, types of questions, and strategies for this section, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer idea of what to expect and how to tackle it. The IELTS Reading Section tests your ability to understand and interpret written texts. It is one of the four main sections of the IELTS test, with the others being listening, writing, and speaking. Depending on whether you're taking the academic or general training version, the content may vary. However, the structure and types of questions remain largely the same. The reading section lasts 60 minutes. You'll encounter 3 reading passages for the academic version, with a variety of question types. For the general training version, there are a mix of short and long texts, such as advertisements, guidebooks, and opinion pieces. Remember, there's no extra time given to transfer answers, so ensure you're writing your answers directly on the answer sheet. The IELTS reading section has a mix of different types of questions. 1. Multiple choice, where you select the correct answer from a list. 2. Short answer, questions that require brief answers, usually a word or a short phrase. 3. Sentence completion, where you'll need to complete sentences using words from the passage. 4. Yes, no, not given, determining if statements about the passage are true, false, or if the information is not given. 5. Matching headings. Matching headings or titles to specific paragraphs. 6. Diagram labeling. You might get diagrams, charts, or graphs and need to label them using information from the text. This isn't an exhaustive list, but it gives you an idea of the variety. Familiarizing yourself with these can save you precious time during the actual test. 1. Skim and scan. Quickly skim the passage to get a general idea, then scan for specific details. 2. Read questions first. Before delving into the passage, go over the questions. It gives you a purpose while reading. 3. Manage time. It's crucial. Allocate time for each passage and stick to it. 4. Watch out for traps. The IELTS test makers are known for sneaky traps. Be especially cautious with yes, no, not given questions. That wraps up our overview of the IELTS reading section. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep familiarizing yourself with the format and practicing regularly, and you'll be well on your way to acing this section. Until next time, happy studying and best of luck!